Hello friends, just open your menu, then go to settings, then select display and touch. You can see option of display and touch. Okay, then tap on enhanced HDR brightness. You can see here, tap on that text, then you will receive this page. Okay, you can see here there is a slider called intensity of brightness, and you can decrease whatever you want. Okay, so in this way you can easily solve the problem whenever you're watching YouTube or any HDR contents on your Android mobile. And nighttime, if you open HDR content, the display starting to boost full brightness on that content, so it will be irritating your eyes. So you can easily control that, which the settings to how to balance or adjust the HDR uh, HDR intensity, light intensity. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and you can simply do this thing in Google Pixel 7a. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.